everybody. My name's Troy. Welcome back to Allen Farms. They started on the shop Monday. I had some videos, pictures on my GoPro, and I've been having GoPro and SD card issues. I've lost all my footage. We mowed hay and I had old footage of it, raking and rolling all it and everything, and it's lost every bit of it. But today's Thursday, June 18th. I want to give you guys an update. They're coming right along with it. They done got the rafters hung on it. They done got the sheds on both sides. Here in a minute, I'll take you over and show you better of the sheds and stuff. Walk you around and sort of explain to you what's going on here. But very exciting. I mean, they think by next Tuesday they should be done with it. Have all the metal on it and everything. Then after they get done putting all the metal on it, put the front doors here on it and everything, insulation, they're going to come back like 2 weeks, give us enough time to run our water lines and all what we want to do under the concrete. Then they're going to come back and pour the pad in here. Right now we're standing in the shop. It's 40 by 60, 16 foot tall. And here on the sides, on both sides here, it's 20 foot lean tubes with 20 foot sections. And that's where we're going to put all our equipment. Right here's some of the installation they're going to put up after they get it done or whatever. But yeah, very exciting. They come right along with it. A lot faster than what I thought it would be. Right over here, some of the metal trusses they're going to use here for the sheds. They're going to put these on over here for the sheds. Morning everyone, welcome back to Allen Farms. My name's Troy. Just gonna give you another update. Today's Saturday. They worked on the building all week. They got the metal up, we're right here standing inside what's going to be the shop. They got the metal up on this side over here, the insulation up, and they got the metal up over on this side. Then they started work on this shed over here, done got all the metal trusses up and got it almost framed plumb out to put the roof on it. Then they got this other side over here done. They got the door up right here where you walk in and out through the door, and they got the insulation up on this side too with the metal up. They still like putting all the metal up on top, metal on back, then put the doors here on the front. Still like doing all that. They still like quite a bit getting done, but they've come a long way from Monday morning when they started on this. Right here we're standing in one of the other side shed over here. They done got the metal all on it, done got it finished out and everything. All right, here's the door. You open this right here where you will walk in and out at. And walk right into the shop. They're hoping to, like they said, they're hoping they get it done maybe this week, this coming up week, maybe Wednesday or so. Then we're gonna dig a water line from over here where water meter's at, over here next to the road. We gotta dig us a water line to get us some water over here to the shop, because we're gonna put a like a sink. We thought about putting us a sink right here, about washing our hands, like when you've been working on stuff all day and you get ready to leave. That way you got a place to wash your hands and everything else. You need water anyway to wash. Like if you're gonna work on a tractor or something, whatever, or something all over it, wash it all off before you pull it in here and work on it.